Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anjani Shri Sai. In this video, I am going to show you how the conditional statements if else works in C++. So, before going to this video, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. So let us start our video with what is if else statements in C++ and how it works. So syntax of if else statement is first if condition, then flower brackets should be open, C out statement, else C out and statement. So here in this, when when we take an input, and after taking input, if we are checking any condition under if, here when the first condition under if statement will be checked, when the condition under the if is true, then only the statement under if part will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then it will be printed the statement under the else part. So let us see an example program to for if else statement, and the example program is to check whether the given number is even or odd in C++. So let us include IO stream. This includes the input and output header files using namespace std. Now we are going to write the main function to return the integer value. So let us declare a variable called n of the integer data type for checking the number whether it is a even or odd. So I am reading in input user input by C in n. Now I am writing condition to check whether the number is even or odd. For checking whether the given number is even or odd, the number should be divisible by 2. So, and when here we should get the reminder. So, for getting the reminder, we are using modulo operator. So, here we are taking our number n modulo 2 and double equal to 0. Now, see out the given number and space is even. Now else. C out. N is on. Return statement return 0. So here I have taken a variable called n of integer data type, which is our user input. Here in the number which is to be checked whether even or odd. So for checking whether the given number is even or odd, the number should be divisible by 2. For checking the number whether it is divisible by 2 or not, we should divide the number. When dividing the number, we should get the remainder. So for checking the remainder, we are using modulo operator arithmetic operator. So here we are using n modulo 2 because for checking even or odd, the number should be divisible by 2. So here 2 is used. N modulo 2 double equal to 0 is the condition. So here first we are checking the condition under the if part. So when the condition under the if part is true, then only the statement under the if part will be executed. Otherwise, the condition under the statement under the else part would be executed. So if our state input would be 6, then 6 is divided by 2. When 6 is divided by 2, the remainder is 0. So here 0 double equal to 0, the condition is true. So the statement under if part, which is n6 is, so n value is 6. So 6 is even will be printed as the output. So let us consider our input would be 7. If our input would be 7. So 7, when 7 is divided by 2, it will be get the remainder as 1. 1, it will check whether 1 is equal to 0. So here 1 is not equal to 0. The condition is false. So when the condition is false, it comes out of if part and it executes the statement under else part, which is n is odd. So here n is 7. So 7 is odd is printed as the output. So let us execute this program. It is compiling. So let us take 6 as input. Yeah, 6 is even. Let us take 7 as the output input. Yeah, 7 is the input, 7 is odd. So, I have written this program into more to other languages, and they are C and Python languages. So I will share both the links in description box. So thank you for watching this video, and please like, share, and subscribe.